Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is A7816. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. We're going to take a look underneath here at the lift kit. And then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, you can see that it is very aggressive and that there is a lot of tread left. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated seats. Down here you have two USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.